The scale controls on J&M SpeedTender Pro 251 and 451 speed up your planting process by quickly and easily dividing your seed with precision. The auto dispense feature accurately unloads the amount of seed you choose. When unloading less than 200 pounds, a time-based approach is used to accurately dispense and evenly fill individual planter boxes. This time-based dispense unloads 20 to 199 pounds of seed, accurate within 2 pounds. When you unload 200 pounds or more, the traditional weight-based method is used. Another option to automatically dispense seed with the 251 and 451 is to use split, which equally divides seed into a specific number of rows. Split dispense is easy to use. To activate split dispense, press the split button, input the seed weight, press enter, input the number of times the seed will be divided, which is the number of planter boxes, and press enter. The system dispenses equal amounts for equally filled planter boxes. Both dispense features are exclusive to J&M. For more information about how J&M SpeedTender Pro seed tenders can make your planting season quicker and easier, visit jm-inc.com or your local dealer.